Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be showing you how you can install this beta versions and get beta software updates on your iPad of Apple's iOS 13. Let's get into it, everyone. So what you guys need to do is head over to apple.com and make sure you are, I'll leave this actual link in the description below, so it's much more easier for you guys. But okay, so what you need to do is go to the link I'll leave in the description below, and it'll pop up with this iPad OS preview. So what's in the name? Yeah, just some information about it. What we need to do is scroll all the way down well, actually what we need to do is go to, there will also be this in the description below. Just go to beta.apple.com, so it's also in the description below. So go to beta.apple.com and it will pop up with this. Learn more about all of that. You have to sign up with your Apple ID. So yeah, so you need to sign up with your Apple ID, and then you need to go to learn more about iPad OS if you're on an iPad, and then go already a member, sign in. So just type in your password. So you need to sign in with your Apple ID. I'm going to use Touch ID. Okay, that's failed. Okay, and then you have to sign in with your Apple ID, and it's gonna load the website if it doesn't take so long. Hello. Okay, then go to enroll your devices. Enroll, so we need to go to iPad OS, archive a backup. You don't really need to do this, but just install the profile here, and then just go just follow the steps on here. I'll leave this in the description below. You just need to actually make sure, otherwise you should actually do a backup. You need to make sure that your device is you have to make sure that, I'll also leave this link in the description below. You have to make sure that your actual so you must actually make sure, please enroll your iPad. So you must make sure that, I don't know where it is, but you need to make sure that you follow excuse me, let me think here. So what you need to make sure is, you need to make sure that your device is supported, your iPad. So that's kind of all you have to do. And for the first ever beta you install, it'll take a little while depending on your Wi-Fi. So please, I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe, because I publish videos like this almost every day. Goodbye.